Hey guys, it's Chris at Highline Guitars. In today's video, I'm going to be carving the top for the solid body guitar, as well as the top and the back for the hollow body guitar. Now there's a lot to cover here, so let's jump in and get started. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video, I would encourage you to click the thumbs up button down below. Do it right now. It's a great way to show my channel support, and it doesn't cost you anything. But if you'd like to take your support to the next level, you can visit my eGuitar Plans web store or my Highline Guitars merch store. There's links in the description below. And any purchase you make there is going to help support this channel so that I can keep making guitar building videos and sharing my knowledge and experience with you. You can also click the thanks button down below and leave a tip in the amount that you think is fair. But if you want to get the most out of my channel, I would encourage you to click the join button down below and consider becoming a member. As a member, you're going to have access to videos just like the one you're watching, but with a lot more information and detail, and best of all, no ads. Now let's get back to the video. Okay guys, in the next episode, I'm going to be making the top for the hollow body guitar. And what I also hope to accomplish is I want to be able to glue the top on the solid body guitar, as well as the back and the top on the hollow body guitar. I hope I can keep all this straight. At any rate, if you've enjoyed this video, as always, be sure to click that thumbs up button down below. It really helps to support the channel and it doesn't cost you anything. But if you want to take your support to the next level, you can do all the things I mentioned earlier in the video, and that's going to really help to support it as well. At any rate, until the next episode, as always, take care, stay safe, and I hope you'll be back for more guitar building videos.